Hello students, welcome back to maths class. In this video, we will see class 6th, chapter number 10, which named as mensuration. Mensuration means measurement. Measurement related to closed figure. In mensuration, we will see the closed figure, length, breadth, perimeter, area, volume, height, etc. we can put in the topic mensuration. In class 6th, we have to see two topics of mensuration, that is perimeter and area. Okay, so perimeter is distance around closed figure is known as perimeter. What is written in the definition? Distance around closed figure is known as perimeter. So if I take a simple triangle, when you start moving from one point and cover it, the distance around the figure, it is known as perimeter. Same closed figure we can take in the case of square. You can start from any corner, and when you move around the closed figure, you will get perimeter. So these are the example of perimeter, moving from starting point to same ended on the same point after moving. So this is the perimeter when we are moving around the boundary, or distance around the closed figure is known as perimeter. So for getting the perimeter of regular figure, that is square, rectangle, equilateral, triangle, we have some formulas. So let's see perimeter of square. Okay, you know square is a closed figure having all sides are equal. It means this side is equal to this side, this side is equal to this side. They all are equal to each other. So how many sides our square is having? 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 side is multiplying by the length of one side, which is side. Now second is perimeter of rectangle. So rectangle is a closed figure which is having opposite sides are equal. Okay, this side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. You can see here, this is the breadth of the rectangle, which can be denoted by B. If this is B, so its opposite side is also B. Here this is the length of the rectangle, which can be denoted by L. If this is L, so it will become L. Now if we are starting moving from this point, so firstly we will get L, then B, then L, then B. So again we got the first point from where we started. Okay, so how many L you can see? 2L. And how many B you can see? 2B. So it means the perimeter of rectangle will consider as 2 into length plus breadth. Here 2 is taken common from length and breadth. Now perimeter of equilateral triangle is, equilateral triangle means a triangle which is having all three sides are equal. All three sides are equal. So 3 sides, 3 is multiplying by side. Just because equilateral triangle is having all three sides are equal, that's why only equilateral triangle perimeter formula is here. In case of skeleton triangle and isosceles triangle, we don't have formula. Only in case of equilateral triangle, we have formula for the perimeter of triangle, which is 3 into side. Now in case if we got perimeter of any closed figure, any kind of figure which is not having the all sides are equal, all sides are different from each other. So what we will do? We will simply do sum of all sides. Simply we will do sum of all sides. So here is the perimeter. Distance around closed figure is known as perimeter. Perimeter of square is 4 into side. Perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. Perimeter of equilateral triangle is 3 into side. And perimeter of any closed figure which is equal to sum of all sides. Now let's begin the exercise 10.1. Its question number 1 is find the perimeter of each of the following figure. What we have to find? We have to find perimeter. It means distance around the closed figure. So for taking the distance around closed figure, firstly take one point. So here I am taking this point as a, and from A I am putting the point on corner. Okay, so A, B, C, D. Okay, now all corner points are named here. So we have to find the perimeter. So perimeter is equal to sum of all sides. So first side is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Okay, this is the perimeter. AB is 2 cm, so here is 2. BC is 1. CD is 5 and DA is 4. Okay, now simply we will add them. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. So its answer is 12 and centimeter will be the unit. Okay, its B is, this is the figure, same as previous. We have closed figure, but it is not the regular figure. So we have to start the putting the corner name. From any corner you can start A, B, C, D, so that our perimeter is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. We started from A and we have to end to A. AB is 23 centimeter, BC is 35 centimeter, CD is 40 centimeter and DA is 35 centimeter. Now simply we have to add them. Simply adding, I am doing here 23, 35, 40, 35. Okay, 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. 3 is here, 1 on the carry. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. Plus 1, 13. So its answer is 133 and unit will be centimeter. Now the C is here. Again you can see we have closed figure which all sides measure as 15 centimeter, 15 centimeter, 15 centimeter, 15 centimeter. But this is not the square because its two sides are slanting. Okay, so we will put in their corner name A, B, C, D. Okay, so here we can also apply the perimeter of square formula, but don't get confused. If you are not remembering the formula, you can simply apply sum of all sides. Okay, so perimeter perimeter is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. You started from A and you ended to A. Now all sides are 15 centimeters. So AB is 15, BC is 15, CD is 15 and DA is also 15. When you add them, you got 60 and unit will be centimeter. So this is the solution of C. Now the D is here. D is here, which is showing a pentagon. Pentagon means a figure which is having 5 equal sides. You can see all 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. All sides are having 4 centimeter of length. So perimeter, for getting the perimeter, you have to start putting the corner name from any point. So I am starting from here, A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus last is EA. We started from A and ended to A. AB is 4, BC is 4, CD is 4, DE is 4 and EA is also 4. So when you add them, you will get 20 and unit will be centimeter. E is arrow shaped figure. So again we have to start putting the corner name. I am starting from here, A, B, this is also a corner, C, D, E, F and G. Okay, now we have to get the perimeter. So simply we will start from AB. AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus FG plus GA. Okay, now as you can see, AB is 2.5, BC is 0.5, CD is 4, DE is 1, EF is 4, FG is 0.5 and GA is 2.5. So simply we will add them. 2.5 and 0.5 will be 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. And 12 plus 0.5 is 12.5. And 12.5 will add with 2.5. It will give us 15 and unit will be centimeter. Okay. Now the last of question number 1 is F. Here we have the swastik figure shape is in the question. So here for the perimeter, firstly you have to put the corner name. Very slowly you will put because this figure is very confusing. So I am starting with this point, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. Again we got A. Okay, so simply we will start from A and we have to end after moving on the boundary. We have to end on A. So A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F, F, G, G, H, H, I, J, J, K, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, and T, A. We started from A and ended on A. Now, AB is 1, BC is 3, CD is 2, DE is 3, EF is 4, FG is 1, GH is 3, HI is 2, IJ is 3, JK is 4, KL is 1, LM is 3, NN is 2, NO is 3, OP is 4, PQ is 1, QR is 3, RS is 2, ST is 3, and TA is 4. Okay, now simply we will add them. 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 4 is 13, 13 plus 1 is 14, 14 plus 3 is 17, plus 2, 19, plus 3, 22, plus 4, 26, plus 1, 27, plus 3, 30, plus 2, 32, plus 3, 35, plus 4, 39, plus 1, 40. Okay, then 43, 45, 48, and 4, 52 centimeter. So perimeter of this swastik figure is 52 centimeter. So here we completed question number 1. Question number 2 is the lead of a rectangular box of side 40 centimeter by 10 centimeter. It means the box lead where the box is closing, that is having the rectangular shape, okay, of side 40 centimeter by 10 centimeter. So 40 is greater than 10. It means 40 will be length. Here is 40 centimeter and breadth is 10 centimeter. Is sealed all around with tape. So it means that rectangular box is sealed with tape. What is the length of the tape required? So it means when that person is sealed the box, it is sealed the box on all 4 sides. Its length is 40 and breadth is 10. We have to require the total required tape. For that we have to calculate the perimeter. So length is 40 centimeter, breadth is 10 centimeter. Okay, so length of tape which can be taken from perimeter of rectangle, which is 2 into length plus breadth. 2 length is 40, breadth is 10. So 2 into 40 plus 10 is 50, and 50 into 2 is 100 centimeter, and we know 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So it can be write as in the form 1 meter. So 100 centimeter or 1 meter length of tape is required.